Hi everyone, welcome to EdQuest. Let's talk about Docker. Docker is super useful tool in the world of software development, especially important in machine learning model deployment. So what exactly is Docker? Docker is a platform that allows us to package up an application along with all its code, libraries, dependencies and runtime into a single container. Think of a container like a box that hold everything your programs need to run, no matter where it goes. Let me give you a simple analogy. Imagine you are moving to a new city. Instead of carrying every item separately, clothes, books, utensils, you pack everything into one suitcase. Docker, it's like that suitcase. Now, why is this useful? Because once your app is in that Docker container, it runs the same way on your laptop, a friend's computer, or even on a server in the cloud. It's create an isolated environment, so we don't need to worry about it work on my machine problem anymore. Some key features of Docker: it's lightweighted, start fast, use less memory, it's portable, run it anywhere, and it's consistent, same behavior anywhere. This makes Docker an essential tool for modern developers, especially when you are deploying machine learning models or APIs. You will see this in action soon when we build and serve our ML model using Docker. In next, we see why use Docker. Alright, now that we know what Docker is, let's talk about why it is so powerful and why developers love it. Let me start with this. Have you ever heard someone say, but it worked perfectly on my machine? That's a classic problem in software development. What runs fine on your system might crash on someone else because of different versions, missing libraries, or system setting. Docker completely solved this. First point, Docker solved the it work on my machine problem by packaging everything into a container so your app runs the same no matter where you deploy it. Second point, it ensures consistency from development to testing to production, whether it's your laptop or colleague's PC or a cloud server. Docker makes sure everything behaves exactly the same. Third point, Docker simplifies deployment and scaling. Imagine you are trained a machine learning model and want to serve it as an API. With Docker, deployment becomes just a few commands, and if your app grows, Docker makes scaling up a breeze. Great! Now that we know what Docker is and why we use it, let's go over a few key concepts that from the foundation of how Docker works. These terms will come up often when working with Docker, so it's important to be clear on what they mean. Let's break them down. Image. Think of a Docker image as a snapshot of your application. It contains everything your app needs: code, libraries, dependencies, system tools, and settings. You can think of it like a cake recipe. It tells Docker how to build and run your app. Container. A container is a running instance of an image. When you launch an image, Docker creates a container that is live, isolated, and ready to go. So, if the image is the recipe, the container is the actual cake. Docker engine. This is the runtime environment that makes Docker work. It's what builds image, launches containers, and handles all the behind the scenes operations. Docker Hub. Docker Hub is like GitHub but for Docker images. It's an online repository where you can store, share, and pull Docker images. You can use public images or push your own private ones to share within your teams. And next we see Docker registry. Now let's talk about something very important in the Docker ecosystem, the Docker registry. What is a Docker registry? A Docker registry is a storage and distribution system of Docker images. You can think of it like a library where you can push your Docker images and pull them later when needed, either locally or in production. Public and private registries. Docker provides a public registry called Docker Hub where anyone can share images, but for internal or sensitive projects, you can also use private registry to keep things secure and restricted to your team. Now that we understand Docker registry in general, let's zoom into the most popular one, Docker Hub. What is Docker Hub? Docker Hub is the default public registry for Docker. It's the place where most developers store and share Docker images. Think of it like GitHub for containers, a central platform where containers images are hosted. Who hosts Docker Hub? Docker Hub is officially hosted by Docker Inc., which ensure reliability, security, and smooth integration with Docker tools. What does Docker Hub provide? Docker Hub offer image storage and sharing. You can upload your Docker image or your deployment tools can access them. Official and verified images. These are pre-built images from trusted sources like Nginx, MySQL, Node.js and more. They are tested, secure and ready to use. Let's recap what we learned. So, to wrap up this section on Docker, Docker helps us package and ship our applications reliably using containers. It solves problems like environment mismatch, dependency hell, and inconsistent deployments. It simplifies development, testing, and production process. And with concepts like image, containers, Docker Engine, and Docker Hub, we are now equipped to start working with Docker in real projects. In our next sessions, we will use Docker to deploy machine learning models, build images, and even push them to Docker Hub. So stay tuned and let's get hands on with Docker. Thank you.